This is a 2010 GMC Acadia. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, a low-tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Hi, I'm Mark Labadie, and I'd like to personally thank you for visiting our website. We're a family-owned business and been doing business for over 60 years in mid-Michigan. All of our vehicles have been professionally inspected and hand-detailed to ensure that you're getting the maximum value. Remember, we'll do whatever it takes to earn your business.